Hey Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, this video is the start of a three-part series of my purchase and installation, unboxing and reviewing of the Jungle Gyms Trailer Rack Pro. Purchased it on Amazon, link below. But we are going to start with unboxing and assembly and install. So that's going to be two parts, and then we'll do the review after a couple weeks of having it and see how it works. But anyway, stick around, watch this, and see how it goes. Be right back. So Lawn Dogs, this is what I got for the trailer. Bum, 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 bum. It is the Trailer Mate Pro by Jungle Gyms. Now, I just want to let you guys know, by no way am I being sponsored or given this. I pay for this thing, and I am going to give it my full review after I use it for a little bit. But we are going to unbox it and install it on the trailer. Cause I'm tired of throwing my trimmers and stuff in the back of this thing and just letting them flop around. So let's do this. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to remove that tire and that board though. All right, let's go. Let's turn up the country music and go. So let's start with unboxing this thing. As you know, I always gotta have the right tools. So let me go get that. See those sparks flying? Woo! Always wear your safety glasses, kids. This is the quarter cable 20 volt lithium box opener. It can cut steel sometimes too, but probably not now. Alright, so we got one open. Let's get the other one. Well, let's take this one out first. Alright, what do we got? Instructions. Bubble wrap. Wire, more bubble wrap. Well, you know, everything is nice. It's packaged in bubble wrap. It looks like it's color coordinated. So we'll see here. Yellow and blue bubble wrap. Green and red bubble wrap. Hardware, lots of hardware. Bracket, that's dropped into the water cooler. More hardware, more hardware, more hardware. Nuts, bolts. These are the hooks for the blower nozzles. And that is it in the second box. So this is actually the second box. More instructions. Cooler holder. We're going to set this aside, because I am definitely going to read the instructions on this one. Box 2, or box 1. This one's going to be more of the actual box that goes on top. So. pieces to the box here. You'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't know what I'm talking about by the box, you'll see it when I'm done. It's lost it there. So my first thought, this is everything out of box one. Yeah, my first thought is everything is boxed really well. Individually packaged, individually wrapped, bubble wrapped. This bubble wrap is actually around those things. So that's a good thing. So that's everything that comes with this kit. I'm gonna start putting it together in super duper fast mode. All right, let's watch. nothing's tight, and I gotta get it up on the trailer. Once I get it in place on the trailer, I have to take all the bolts down and mount it. So far, my first take on this is, what a pain in the butt to put together. I mean, a lot of bolts, a lot of nuts, and it's just, I don't know, I feel like the assembly could be a lot smoother somehow. I don't know, but I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just, it's a lot more work than what I thought it would be. I'm worried that my 1080 ton backpack loader is not going to sit high enough on this, so I might have to look to see if they got an adapter for that, because this seems like it might be kind of low. I won't know until I try though. I could be wrong. I got it on the highest one. So, all right, let's get this loaded up and see. So I'm frustrated. Yeah, I already see a problem. It ain't long enough. This is 7 foot across, and this is at 6 foot. What, 12 or 6 foot 12? Huh? 6 foot 10. That's more than 2 inches. That gap is more than 2 inches. I don't think this thing's gonna work. This sucks. Sucks big time. The whole idea was to have that up so I can be able to put my mower underneath that a little bit. So let me see and take it down, put it in the garage, and see what I can find, because this puts me at a stall for the night. So, you know, that was episode 1 in the series. First take with that assembly is it is a pain in the butt. Just a lot of bolts and nuts, you know, and nuts and bolts and we got screwed. No, that little chant when it's sports chant, nuts and bolts, we got screwed. You know, when the refs make a bad call. If you're a Lions fan, you say that a lot. But anyway, so watch out for the next video. The rest of the install should be in the next video on Sunday, and we get it up in the trailer and stuff. And then I'll do a review after a couple weeks of using it. But anyway, hey, check out Mowers for Vets, and like, subscribe, and do all that stuff you're supposed to do. Share it out, tell your friends. All right. Hey, as for a assembly video real quick, Jungle Jim's, if you look up Jungle Jim's trailer rack assembly video, they have a pretty good video. So that's why I didn't go into the instructions. Their video is pretty good. And actually, the issue I have of mounting the blower holders up before you put the legs on, the instructions have you doing that first, but their video, they fixed that. And I noticed that. So follow their video. It's a lot better than actually the book, their assembly video. And I'll put a link to that down below too. So their assembly video is pretty good. All right, hey, always give maximum effort. Be kind to everyone. Just Floyd them out.